Hello, Dave Middlebrook here with the Church Lawyers. The Church Lawyers is a law firm with attorneys who are called to invest their careers into helping churches, ministries, and Christian schools just like yours. We know church law, and we're prepared to help you as you lead your ministry. Have you ever had a blessing in your ministry that quickly turned into a challenge? Well, today we're talking about how to keep a financial blessing just that, a financial blessing. So join me as we talk about it. If your church is blessed to receive additional income through rental property, proceeds from the church's coffee shop, or any other income that is derived from a non-church purpose, well, the IRS calls that unrelated business income, or UBI. And it's important to consult with an attorney to make sure your ministry is properly determining what is UBI income. Now, the IRS generally looks at 3 questions to determine whether the income is subject to UBI tax if it's unrelated. First, was the income derived from a trade or business? In other words, this asks the question of whether the income came from the sale of goods or services. Most income, except for true donations, may be subject to unrelated business income taxation. The next question is your church regularly engaged in a trade or business? Now, what the IRS is really asking is if you take part in this UBI activity as much as a regular counterpart would. For example, if you lease out property all of the time, then the IRS could take the position that it's equivalent to a property leasing company and to determine that you are regularly engaged in that business. And the final or third question is the activity unrelated to the organization's exempt purpose? To be tax-free, an activity must be substantially related to the organization's exempt purpose. And the question has been heavily litigated and can be a difficult one to answer. Just because money earned from a business activity supports an exempt purpose doesn't make that activity tax exempt. A ministry must determine that the activities further a purpose for which the organization is exempt, such as preaching, teaching, or evangelism. So the determination whether UBI applies to your ministry's endeavors is often complicated, and unfortunately it can be costly if the wrong determinations are made. Now, here at the Church Lawyers, we're very experienced in this area. We'd be honored to help you tackle the difficult but important subject of UBI. So click the link above to start a conversation. We look forward to serving you. I'm Dave Middlebrook, and from all of us here at the Church Lawyers, thanks for watching.